if you know only three formulas of coordinate geometry, you can solve this problem that was asked in IIT means JEE Advanced 2023 exam, paper 1, question number 7. This question is very easy. In the question, it is said that y square is equal to 4ax, where a is positive, is a parabola. F is the focus of this parabola. A normal with slope m at point P intersect x-axis at Q. A and m both are positive integer, and area of triangle PFQ is 120. Then ordered pair AM is equal to what? This is the question. We will use only three formula of coordinate geometry, and first we write those three formula, explain those formula, and then we will, after that I will start solving this problem. If y square is equal to 4ax be a parabola, then coordinate of its focus is A0. Focus. Coordinate of focus. Parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Y is equal to mx minus 2am minus amq is normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. For all real value of m. If we put 1 in place of m, we get a normal of this parabola, and foot of this normal will be a times 1 square minus 2a times 1, that means a minus 2a. If we put 2 in place of m in this equation, we get another normal. Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x minus 4a minus 8a will also be normal to this parabola, and foot of this normal will be 2a square times a, that means 4a minus 4a. If we put some negative number minus 1 in place of m, then also we get some normal at some different point. m is equal to minus 1. When we put m is equal to minus 1 in this equation, we get this normal with slope minus 1. When we put m is equal to minus 2, we get some another normal. M is equal to minus 2 at some another point. This is the meaning of this formula. Now I will explain third formula. If ABC be a triangle with coordinate x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 of its vertices, then area of triangle ABC will be equal to 1 by 2 times mod of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2. This is the third formula that we will use in solving the problem. By using the three formula, we can solve the problem asked in IIT very easily. It is given in the question that f is the focus of this parabola. We know that coordinate of focus is a0. Therefore, coordinate of f will be a0. It is given in the question that normal at point P with slope m. Normal at point P with slope m. Equation of that normal will be y is equal to mx minus 2am minus amq, and coordinate of P, foot of the normal means coordinate of point P will be am square minus 2am. Since this normal intersect x-axis at point Q, and we know that coordinate y coordinate of any point on x-axis is 0, when we put 0 in place of y in the equation of this normal, then we get 0 is equal to mx minus 2am minus amq. This implies mx is equal to 2am plus amq. This implies x is equal to 2a plus am square. 2a plus am square and y coordinate will be 0. Now it is given in the question that area of triangle FPQ, since area of triangle PFQ is 120, this implies 1 by 2 times x1 means a times y2 minus y3, that means minus 2am minus 0, minus 2am minus 0 plus x2 means am square, y3 minus y1 means 0 minus 0 plus x3, that means 2a plus am square, 2a plus am square, y1 minus y2, that means 0 minus minus 2a am, that means 0 plus 2am mod is equal to 120. This implies 1 by 2 times minus 2a square m. This will become 0 and here will be plus 4a square m plus 2a square m cube mod. This will be equal to 120. This implies 1 by 2 times mod of 4a square m minus 2a square m, 2a square m plus 2a square m cube is equal to 120. Since it is given in the question that a and m both are positive integer, therefore this will be positive, this will be positive, positive plus positive will be positive. That means mod of this will be equal to this itself. This implies 1 by 2 times 2a square m plus 2a square m cube is equal to 120. Take 2 common from these two terms and that common 2 will be cancelled out from this 2. Then we get a square m plus a square m cube is equal to 120. This implies a square m plus m cube is equal to 120. This implies a square is equal to 120 by m plus m cube. It is given in the question that a and m are positive integers. Therefore, we put first positive integer 1 in place of m is equal to 1. Then we get a square is equal to 120 by 1 plus 1 cube, that is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60. 60 is not a square of any positive integer, therefore this value is not acceptable. When we put m is equal to 2, we get a square is equal to 120 by 2 plus 2 cube, that is equal to 120 by 10, that is equal to 12. 12 is also not a square of any positive integer, therefore this value of m is also not acceptable. When we put m is equal to 3, we get a square is equal to 120 by 3 plus 3 cube, that is equal to 120 by 30, that is equal to 4. 4 is a square of a positive integer 2, therefore this value is acceptable. And when a square is equal to 4, then a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 2 and m is equal to 3. Therefore am will be ordered pair am will be equal to 2, 3.